Al-Khwarizmi was a Persian scientist, mathematician, philosopher, and engineer who lived in the 9th century A.D. He was born in the city of Khwarizm in the Khorasan region of Iran, and lived during the Abbasid era in Baghdad. Al-Khwarizmi is considered one of the most important scientists in the history of mathematics and science, and made significant contributions in several fields, including algebra, geometry, astronomy, geography, and philosophy. He authored several books in these fields, including Al-Jabr wal-Makab, which is one of the most important books in algebra in history, and which contributed to the development of mathematics and the establishment of algebra as an independent branch of mathematics. Al-Khwarizmi was also a pioneer in the field of computation, where he excelled in developing computational methods and algorithms that are used to this day in many fields, such as Arabic numerals, logarithmic tables, long division, and more. One of his most famous computational methods was the long division algorithm, which is still used in teaching mathematics today. He also developed the great algorithm, a method for quickly and efficiently computing large numbers, which is used in several fields such as data encryption, graphics, and statistical models. Al-Khwarizmi also developed the concept of the abacus, a device used for performing arithmetic operations, which was the precursor to modern-day calculators. He also developed the Arabic numerals, which are now used globally. In the field of astronomy, Al-Khwarizmi contributed greatly to the development of the science. He developed a precise theory of the motion of celestial bodies and explained how to determine geographical locations by projecting the celestial sphere onto the surface of the earth. Al-Khwarizmi's contributions to science and mathematics have had a profound impact on the world, and his legacy continues to be felt to this day. In addition to his contributions to mathematics and science, Al-Khwarizmi was also a prominent figure in the Islamic Golden Age, a period of cultural, economic, and scientific flourishing in the Islamic world that lasted from the 8th to the 14th centuries. During this period, Al-Khwarizmi worked as a scholar and teacher in the House of Wisdom, an intellectual center in Baghdad where scholars from different cultures and religions gathered to translate, study, and develop works in various fields such as mathematics, science, philosophy, and literature. Al-Khwarizmi's works and ideas were widely known and respected in the Islamic world, and his influence extended beyond the Muslim world to Europe, where his works were translated into Latin, and his ideas helped to shape the development of mathematics and science in the West. Al-Khwarizmi's legacy also lives on in the modern world, where his name has been immortalized in various fields such as computer science, where the term algorithm is derived from his name, and in astronomy, where a lunar crater is named after him. Overall, Al-Khwarizmi's contributions to mathematics, science, and culture have had a profound impact on the world, and his legacy continues to inspire and influence scholars and scientists around the globe. Al-Khwarizmi's legacy extends beyond his contributions to mathematics and science. He was also a respected philosopher and scholar, and his ideas on logic and reasoning had a significant impact on the development of Islamic philosophy. Al-Khwarizmi's philosophical works include the Book of Reasons, in which he presents a systematic methodology for reasoning and problem-solving, and the Book of Questions, in which he explores various philosophical questions related to the nature of existence, knowledge, and the human condition. In addition to his philosophical works, Al-Khwarizmi was also a pioneer in the field of geography. He authored a book called The Image of the Earth, in which he presented a detailed description of the Earth's geography, including its land masses, oceans, and climate zones. Al-Khwarizmi's contributions to science and philosophy were not limited to his own works. He was also a prominent figure in the translation movement that took place during the Islamic Golden Age, where scholars translated works from Greek, Persian, and Indian sources into Arabic. Al-Khwarizmi himself translated several works, including the Almagest of Ptolemy, a Greek work on astronomy. Overall, Al-Khwarizmi's contributions to philosophy, geography, and translation, in addition to his contributions to mathematics and science, highlight his multidisciplinary approach to knowledge and his desire to understand the world around him in all its complexity. Al-Khwarizmi's legacy also includes his impact on education. He was a prominent teacher and scholar, and his works became standard textbooks in Islamic schools and universities for centuries. Al-Khwarizmi's influence on education extended beyond the Islamic world to Europe, where his works were translated into Latin and became a cornerstone of medieval European education. His works on algebra, in particular, had a significant impact on the development of mathematics in Europe and helped to lay the foundation for the scientific revolution that would take place in the 16th and 17th centuries. In addition to his impact on education, Al-Khwarizmi's legacy also includes his contributions to the Islamic Golden Age, a period of cultural and scientific flourishing in the Islamic world. During this period, Islamic scholars made significant advancements in fields such as astronomy, mathematics, medicine, and philosophy, and their works inspired and influenced scholars and scientists in Europe and beyond. Overall, Al-Khwarizmi's legacy as a teacher, scholar, and scientist, and his contributions to education and the Islamic Golden Age highlight his enduring impact on the development of knowledge and culture in the world. Al-Khwarizmi's approach to teaching differed from other scholars of his time in several ways. One of the most significant differences was his emphasis on practical applications of knowledge.